Imagine you're at the grocery store, picking out snacks that never let you down. That's how Warren Buffett shops for stocks, turning everyday smarts into billions. Right now, in 2025, the S&P 500, that big group of America's favorite companies like Walmart and McDonald's, is sitting pretty around 6,664, up roughly 16% since January. A strong year for solid brands you already know. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq, packed with tech goodies, think your favorite phone apps, is buzzing at 22,680, up about 17%. It's like a fun party out there. But here's the thing, Buffett beats them both, and he does it with simple rules. So if you're an average American, maybe saving for a car or your kid's college, here are 5 calm, clear steps to spot good stocks. No fancy math, just real talk. Let's roll. Step 1, know what they sell. Ask yourself, what does this company actually do? Keep it super simple, like explaining it to your buddy over coffee. Buffett skips anything confusing, the kind of product that breaks before you even figure it out, and sticks to what he understands. Take Coca-Cola, that fizzy drink you grab at gas stations, movie nights, or ball games across the USA. No rocket science, just happy bubbles in a bottle. Buffett's held Coca-Cola forever, and in 2025, it's around $68. Up roughly 15% since January, just like that favorite diner of yours. Steady, reliable, always there when you need it. While the Nasdaq's tech toys are exciting, they're not beginner-friendly. So, next time you're at Walmart, think, would I buy this company's product without hesitation? If the answer is yes, like your favorite coffee or jeans, that's a win. You've just avoided an impulse buy before it even happens. Step 2, find their special sauce. Now, what's their secret recipe? That one thing that keeps customers loyal no matter what. Buffett calls it a moat. Picture a cozy fence around your backyard, keeping the competition out. Apple has got it. Once you own an iPhone, your whole world, music, photos, messages, it's all connected. Feels like one big happy family, doesn't it? And switching? That's like moving houses. That's Apple's power. Impressed. Buffett's poured billions into it. And in 2025, it's at $252. Easily outpacing the Nasdaq's 17% jump. Think of it like your favorite pizza joint with that perfect crust nobody can copy. Ask yourself, do people rave about this company like they do their favorite Netflix show? If the fans stay loyal, you've found a gem. That's how Buffett plants trees that give shade for years. Step 3, check their health. Next, check the company's health. Think of it like your car. You want a full tank and no hidden repairs waiting to blow up your budget. Buffett looks for steady cash flow. Money coming in like clockwork, and low debt. That's why he loves American Express. It's that familiar card you swipe for groceries, gas, or travel, everywhere from California pumps to Midwest diners. In 2025, it's around $347, up about 18%. Strong, predictable. Meanwhile, tech companies in the Nasdaq, they rise fast, but their debts sneak up faster. So ask yourself, does this business earn money steadily without drowning in loans? If it feels like your reliable family minivan, not a flashy sports car that drinks fuel, that's the one to trust. Healthy picks keep your portfolio calm, even when markets get loud. Step 4, shop smart for deals. Here's where Buffett really shines. He never pays full price. He waits for a deal, like you waiting for Black Friday. He figures out what something's truly worth based on the money it'll make later. Then he buys it cheaper. Take Bank of America, that easy app for checking balances or paying bills. Buffett bought it low, and now, in 2025, it's sitting near $51, climbing slow and steady. Or Occidental Petroleum, the name behind the gas that powers your car, sitting around $41. Solid, reliable. When prices feel too high, Buffett waits patiently. For everyday investors, it's the same rule. Ask, is this like getting my favorite jeans half off? If yes, that's value. Even if prices wiggle a bit, you're covered, because smart patience turns small deals into big wins later. Step 5, pick good leaders and hold on. Finally, pick companies run by honest people, the kind who play fair and share the rewards. Buffett reads their letters, listens to their tone, like checking reviews before a long road trip. Do they own part of the company themselves? Do they care about their team and investors alike? Apple's leadership does, giving back profits like sharing pizza with friends. While others chase quick flips, Buffett holds steady, watching his picks grow like a savings account that blooms quietly over time. So ask yourself, are these leaders like good neighbors? Steady, honest, dependable? If yes, hold on tight. Because patience is your secret weapon. Because, in the long run, steady markets, climbing 10 to 20% a year, turn into something bigger. Like building your dream backyard, one brick at a time. So there you go, Buffett's 5 timeless steps. Keep it simple, find the edge, stay healthy, wait for deals, trust good people. Use them today in your own calm, steady way. Start small. Maybe your favorite company, right over breakfast. Run these 5 checks, and who knows, your next grocery run might just spark your first smart investment. Like, share, subscribe, and remember, money doesn't have to feel stressful. It can feel wise. It can feel simple. It can feel like a good conversation. See you next time.